10 tips about how to clean the fridge with natural ingredients, part 2. 6. Make a paste of baking soda and water to clean stubborn stains on the surface of the refrigerator. 7. Use lemon juice to clean a fridge that smells really bad. 8. Use white vinegar to clean a very dirty refrigerator. 9. Don't forget to clean the grate behind the refrigerator regularly. 10. Clean the refrigerator at least once every 3 months. Those are 10 tips on how to clean the fridge with natural ingredients. I hope these tips are useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you.